Hey there! Welcome back to episode 10 of our marketing research series. Before we dive into today's episode on focus groups, if you find our content helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss out an update from us. Imagine a cozy room with a handful of people having a heartfelt discussion. That's a focus group for you. It's all about getting to the heart of what people think and feel about certain topics, products, or even services. And guess what? It's like a gold mine for new ideas and understanding what consumers really want. Setting a focus group? Alright, here's a little recipe for success. First things first. Know what you're looking for. Get that aim sharp and clear. Next, think about the participants. Variety is the spice of life, so get a mix of people who represent your target group. Once that's done, put on a chef's hat and cook up a guide, a list of juicy questions to get the conversation flowing. Oh, and pick a cozy spot for the chat. Something neutral, where everyone feels they can open up. And hey, when everyone's okay, maybe hit the record button. Trust me, you'll thank me later when you're dissecting all the insights. Now, every good show has a star, right? In focus groups, that's the moderator. This person is like the captain of the ship, steering the conversation, making sure everyone's voice is heard, and sidestepping any icebergs, like personal biases or getting too personal. They're there to make everyone feel at home, but they've got to stay neutral. No favorites in this game. If you're ever in the hot seat as a moderator, here's a cheat sheet. Listen, like really listen. The devil's in the details. If something's unclear, go ahead and ask. Be that person who smooths over any hiccups in the group dynamics. Every once in a while, play it back. Summarize what you've heard and see if everyone's on the same page. And when it's time to wrap up, a simple thank you goes a long way. Maybe spill some beans about the next steps or any cool follow-ups. So there you have it, a whirlwind tour of focus groups. With a sprinkle of these insights and tips, you're well on your way to getting the most out of your focus group sessions. And a little teaser for next time, we're taking a journey into the realm of observational research. Intrigued? Stick around. And if you found this episode insightful, please remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And as always, thanks for hanging out with us. Catch you in the next one.